Right, so in this question, this is enlarge the shape shown on the grid by scale factor of 2. So remember now, scale factor of 2, the shape lengths need to be double in size. So the base here is 3, we'll double that to be 6, but it's also got to be in the right place relative to A here. So that's easy, because what you need to do is pick one of the corner points. Let's just pick this corner point here and see what have you got to do to get from A to get to that corner. Well, we just go across 1.5, don't we? Across 1.5 squares. So if it's scale factor 2, you'll double that. So instead of going across 1.5, you'll go across 3, so you'll double it, so you end up going there. Okay, so that's where the corner point is now going to go. Okay, and from there then we can do our shape straight from there. Now, if you're not confident, if you're not quite sure now how those slopes should go, you could also move another point as well. You could say, for instance, this point here. Where is this in relation to A? Well, you've got to go 2 squares down, haven't you? 2 squares down to get from A to here. So let's double it. Instead of going down 2, we'll double it and we'll go down 4. So our new corner point is going to go here. Okay, so then we can join them up, and that will give us then that slant, that sort of part of that roof, if you like, of that house. Okay, and then, you know, we can complete the shape because you know that height there is 1, so if we double it then, scale factor 2. Okay, the base there is 3, so we double it, so it'll be 6 across 3, across 6. That height there is 1, so you double it, and then, you know, we can join them up then, so we know exactly how that works. Okay, part B then, it says reflect the triangle in the line y equals x. Now the line y equals x, you need to know how to draw that. It's a diagonal line. If you think about it, when x is 1, y is 1. You just need a few points, don't you? So you can go there. When x is 2, y is 2. Okay, it goes there. When x is 4, y is 4, yeah? Because y is equal to x. So you've got a few points. It's a diagonal line. That's what y equals x is. Okay, so we line this up properly now, and we'll draw a line y equals x. And then to reflect, remember, in a way you're flipping, right? That's what happens when you reflect. You flip. So that shape there is going to flip over here. Okay. Now, what I do is I focus on the corner points, and because the mirror line, because my line here is sort of on the diagonal, okay, we're better off looking at the diagonals here. So if you notice here, that corner point is 1 diagonal to the mirror, so we go back 1 diagonal, we end up here. That there is 2.5 diagonals from this corner point. So you've got 1 diagonal there, 2 diagonals there, and a half. So back 2.5, okay, we end up down here. And in this one, it's not so easy to see, perhaps turning it round will help. This corner point, 1, 2, 3, 4 diagonals away, so we 4 diagonals that way, 1, 2, 3, 4, we end up here. Okay, so there's my shape that's been flipped then, and we'll just join up the corner points. Okay, and we're done on that. Part C then, it says